Hi everybody, welcome. My name's Cathie and this is Make It with Mod Podge, and today I've got a really fun budget-friendly craft to share with you. I found these adorable Easter egg wood shapes at the dollar store. They were 10 in a pack for $1.25, and I'm going to show you how you can create these really cute Easter designs using this vintage style fabric. You can use any kind of Easter fabric that you want. I am gluing and sealing using the Mod Podge formula in matte. Satin works good here too, but I would skip the gloss on this project. I'm going to show you how you make these into an ornament, and I'm going to show you how you can string them up into a really cute garland. All right, let's get crafty. For this project, lightweight 100% cotton fabric works best. I'm going to go ahead and place my little egg shape down onto the fabric and then just do a rough cut around it. Don't worry about that extra because we're going to be cutting that away after we Mod Podge. Now, like I said before, I'm using Mod Podge matte for this. Satin works awesome too. I'm adding the Mod Podge to the top of my wood cutout. I did not pre-paint this because it's a light color to begin with. Then I'm just going to place the fabric right on top, and you do have a little bit of time to move it into position. If it starts to dry out, just go ahead and lift it and add a little bit more Mod Podge. Now I let this dry for about a half hour, and then I'm going ahead with sharp scissors and cutting off the extra from the edge. Once that's done, you can go in and top coat to seal with more of the Mod Podge. I'm using scissors to poke a hole. If you didn't have sharp scissors like that, you could use a toothpick. All right, let's go ahead and do that top coating. That's that same formula, and that's gonna create a matte look. So go ahead and do nice even brush strokes and top coat the whole entire thing, and that will seal the fabric down. So you're using the Mod Podge as the glue and the sealer for the fabric. You could do this same exact technique using paper, and that would be fine too. I just really love all of the different fabric prints that are out there. So fun. Once it's dry, we're gonna go ahead and add some Sparkle Mod Podge. So let's add some lightweight glitter to this project. Sparkle Mod Podge already has the glitter embedded in the Mod Podge, so I'm just using one of those detail paint brushes, and I'm going over the design and painting everywhere that I want a little lightweight sparkle. It looks milky and thick and white here, but that's gonna just dry clear and sparkly. So go ahead and highlight whatever areas you want. Next, I'm gonna add some lightweight gems to the design. These are just little tiny gems adding a little bit of detail. I love adding embellishments to these types of projects. For this, I'm using that same Mod Podge sparkle to glue down these gems. It's the perfect formula. These gems are super lightweight. So go ahead and add a couple little dots of the Mod Podge wherever you want to add a gem, and then just glue a little gem down. You can really decorate these in so many different ways. For this one, I'm going to do a rhinestone border. You don't have to do a border, or you could do some glitter border, or you could paint with some gold paint. It's really endless. If you wanted to hot glue some trim there, you could do that too. This is just a really fun project for getting creative. So you can use my ideas here, but certainly go ahead and do whatever design you love. Look how gorgeous that turns out. Okay, now we're gonna set that aside and let it dry. I've got 2 of those beaded cords from the dollar store, and I'm gonna tie 2 together, and then that will be our center part. I've got some ribbons. We're gonna thread the ribbons through the hole on our little ornament, and then we'll go ahead and just tie that to our garland. I'm gonna start with the bunny rabbit design in the center. You can see those ribbons are a little bit difficult, but I'm just pulling them through and then pulling them tight. And now we'll go ahead and tie them to the center. And for this, I'm just doing the Easter eggs, but you could certainly do different types of things in between them, ribbon tassels if you wanted to. I'm gonna count over 6 of my little wood beads and then go ahead and tie another one on. And I did lace and then our gingham ribbon, and here I'm doing pink and our gingham ribbon. So you can just do it back and forth, or you can do it all the same. Again, this is just a really fun project for getting creative. If you've got some old ribbon scraps or old torn bits of fabric, you can use that as well. So let's just go ahead and tie all of these on. I'm doing it balanced, so I'm doing every 6 beads, I'm tying it. To finish off my design, I wanted to add some paper flowers. Again, you can add all sorts of embellishments to this. I'm gonna just use a Dada hot glue there and add a paper flower to the top of that design. I absolutely love how this turned out. It's so cute. I love vintage style. This fabric is just absolutely adorable. If you don't find fabric like this, just grab any Easter fabric that you love, that speaks to you. And again, you can do the same technique using paper. Wrapping paper, old greeting cards, scrapbook paper, you name it. Let's go ahead and trim up our ribbon edges there, and then you are ready to hang your adorable garland. Each one of these designs turns out so cute. I don't know which character I love the best, but look at how they all look so great with their little sparkles and their little embellishments. So cute for Easter and spring. Thanks so much for being here with me today. I hope that project inspired you to create a little spring decor for your home. If you don't have a mantle, these look so cute above a doorway or even above a bed. All right, I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.